Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we're going to look at the signs of cooling system problems and the best maintenance tips to keep your truck running cool on the road. Let's dive right in. Malfunctioning thermostats and water pumps. The thermostat and water pump are the backbone of the cooling system. If either fails, temperatures can quickly spiral out of control. Thermostat issues. A faulty thermostat might stay closed when it should open, trapping heat in the engine. On the flip side, if it's stuck open, the engine may run cool, wasting fuel and reducing performance. Either way, replacing the thermostat is a straightforward fix. Water pump failures. The water pump keeps coolant flowing. When it starts leaking, squeaking, or failing altogether, coolant circulation slows or stops. This leaves heat trapped in the engine, causing rapid overheating. Signs of a bad water pump include coolant pooling around the pump or engine bay, high engine temperatures, despite a full radiator, grinding or whining noises coming from the pump. Replacing a thermostat or water pump takes some mechanical knowledge, but resolving these issues quickly prevents further damage and keeps your truck rolling smoothly. Regular monitoring and maintenance are key to avoiding these problems. Addressing cooling issues early ensures the lifetime performance of heavy-duty trucks and minimizes downtime caused by unscheduled repairs. Maintenance tips for optimal cooling system performance. A well-maintained cooling system is the backbone of any heavy-duty truck. Without it, engine efficiency drops, overheating risks increase, and expensive repairs loom. Keeping the system in top shape isn't complicated, but it does require regular attention. Let's look at some practical tips to keep everything running smoothly. Regular inspections. Routine checks are a truck owner's best defense against cooling system problems. By catching small issues early, you can avoid major failures on the road. Check hoses and clamps. Cracks, leaks, or loose connections can lead to coolant loss. Inspect hoses for signs of wear, especially near connection points. Examine the radiator. Look for visible damage, bent fins, or blockages caused by dirt and debris. Monitor the water pump. Listen for unusual noises and check for coolant leaks. Squealing or grinding sounds can indicate pump issues. Thermostat function. Make sure the thermostat is opening and closing as it should. If your engine runs unusually hot or cool, this is often a culprit. Performing these inspections regularly, ideally before long trips or heavy load hauls, reduces the risk of costly repairs and minimizes downtime. Coolant quality and levels. Coolant isn't just a liquid, it's the lifeblood of your truck's cooling system. Maintaining proper coolant levels and using the right type is essential to keeping the engine protected. Check levels often. Pop the hood and check the coolant reservoir. If it's below the minimum mark, top it off. Use the right coolant. Heavy-duty trucks often require coolant with added additives to prevent corrosion and cavitation. Always consult your truck's manual to ensure compatibility. Don't mix coolants. Mixing different types can reduce effectiveness and potentially damage the system. Stick to one type unless you're flushing and replacing the entire system. Replace old coolant. Over time, coolant loses its protective qualities. Flushing and replacing it every couple of years, or as recommended by your manufacturer, ensures maximum efficiency. Think of coolant like oil, neglecting it can cause severe damage. Keep it clean, topped off, and working as designed. Cleaning the cooling system. Over time, the cooling system can collect dirt, rust, and scale deposits. This buildup reduces efficiency and can cause overheating, so cleaning is an essential maintenance step. Flush the system regularly. A proper flush removes old coolant and any debris lingering in the system. This should be done as part of your routine maintenance schedule or when switching to a new type of coolant. Use a cleaning agent. For heavy buildup, use a radiator cleaning solution to break down deposits. Follow the instructions carefully and rinse thoroughly to avoid leaving residues. Clean external radiator fins. Dirt, bugs, and debris can block airflow, reducing cooling performance. Use compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean the fins. Be careful not to bend them. Inspect after cleaning. After flushing, check for leaks, corrosion, or other signs of damage. Replace any weak components immediately. Cleaning is like giving the system a fresh start. It improves efficiency and ensures every part is working as it should. Maintaining a heavy-duty truck's cooling system doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require consistency. By inspecting components, maintaining proper coolant levels, and keeping it clean, you can ensure your truck stays ready for even the toughest conditions. The goal? Fewer breakdowns, lower repair costs, and confidence on the road. Advancements in cooling technology. As heavy-duty trucks continue to evolve, so do the cooling systems that keep them running. New innovations in cooling technology are shaping the way these massive engines handle heat, ensuring efficiency and durability even under punishing conditions. Below, we'll explore key advancements improving performance and reliability. Enhanced materials and designs. Modern cooling systems benefit from smarter designs and better materials, creating solutions that last longer and work more efficiently. What does that mean for heavy-duty trucks? Improved heat dissipation. Radiators now use lightweight, high-conductivity materials like aluminum or composite alloys. These materials transfer heat faster, reducing the strain on engines. Durable components. Advances like silicone radiator hoses and reinforced gaskets provide greater resistance to wear, extreme temperatures, and pressure spikes. Unlike traditional rubber, these materials last longer and hold up better in tough conditions. Aerodynamic designs. Recent innovations include radiators and cooling fans with shapes designed to optimize airflow. Trucks now lose less energy fighting drag while maintaining efficient cooling. Corrosion-resistant coatings. Coolant system parts are often coated with high-quality finishes to prevent rust and chemical damage. This keeps systems running smoother for longer. Think of these advancements as the difference between a flimsy umbrella and a strong, windproof one. High-quality materials and smart designs protect cooling systems from breakdowns, no matter the weather or road conditions. Smart cooling systems. Technology is taking cooling to a new level. Today's cooling systems are not only tougher, they're smarter. Trucks now integrate electronics and sensors to monitor and adjust cooling on the fly. Automated temperature monitoring. Never guess again. Sensors now relay real-time temperature data to the truck's onboard computer. This means drivers can spot potential overheating before it becomes a problem. Variable speed fans. Smart fans adjust their speed based on engine temperature. Need more cooling during steep climbs? They'll step up. Cruising downhill? They'll conserve power. Electric water pumps. Unlike traditional mechanical pumps, these operate only when needed. This saves energy and gives extra control over coolant flow. Predictive maintenance alerts. Integrated systems can now predict when parts of the cooling system need attention, like low coolant or a failing thermostat. Alerts help fleets avoid surprise breakdowns. Imagine this: your cooling system acting like a thermostat-controlled home air conditioner. It adjusts itself perfectly to your needs, saving energy and keeping everything balanced. Technology has made this reality. By combining advanced materials with smart systems, cooling technology in heavy-duty trucks is smarter, tougher, and more efficient than ever before. These advancements work together to extend engine life, save fuel, and reduce unexpected repairs, all while keeping your truck ready for the demands of the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.